in virtue of the infatuation and fascination with the ocean. In order to shuttle through the ocean freely, explore the magical ocean unrestrainedly, and capture the epic underwater moments. Fivefish has made breakthroughs over technical barriers to launch a new product. Fivefish P3. Fivefish P3 has an extraordinary performance on stability and reliability. With 3 thrusters power system, 100 meters working depth, 6 directions of movements, 2 hours operating time. Fivefish is specifically designed for complicated, tricky underwater environments. With unremitting efforts to pursue HD footage, Fivefish has gained breakthrough progress on camera system, equipped with Ambarella chipset, 1-inch Sony CMOS sensor, and 162 FOV ultra-wide-angle lens. Fivefish P3 could capture 4K HD footage and 20-megapixel photos in underwater environment. For those who are water frightening, you could also explore under the waves without jumping into the water. In addition, 4,000 lumens LED lights with 8 levels adjustable brightness ensure you can capture more detail with high performance in dark environments. Equipped with Fivefish app, Fivefish P3 could watch the epic moments in 1080p real-time streaming. It can beautify videos or pictures as you wish by clicking with one button. Fivefish apps allow you share stunning underwater moments to all social media platforms like Facebook, YouTube, Instagram, WeChat instantly. Join us and let's rediscover the sea. What tools are needed to create the excellent underwater image? High-performance camera, stable submersible, and strong lights, which ensure the presence of each exquisite frame. Created by UCAN Robot, BW1 is the Shoot ROV designed for underwater image video shutterbugs. The FPV camera can revolve up and down. Not only keep stable lens, but also can try different angles to find the best view. The Dome Lens waterproof pouch, which the combination of the wide-angle prime lens can shoot HD video. Strong water current will increase the challenge of underwater shoot, but the water current under 3 knots can be easily coped by the powerful propeller of BW1. It can dive to 100 meters with perfect neutral buoyancy. 2 white LED lights with continuous adjustment are equipped to supply underwater light. The connection with mobile phone or tablet computer and the Assure wireless Wi-Fi repeater, as well as the real-time received images, can give you easy and carefree seamless manipulation experience. Every minute of underwater shoot is very important, and high-capacity battery can realize a maximum 7-hour endurance. The sealing performance of BW1 has been well verified. Every part of BW1 is rigorously tested. BW1 will bring professional and high-quality shoot experience to the global amateurs.